Hey yo, what's up? A new video here. That little cinematic played at the beginning of the video just shows little teeny tiny piece of the beauty of our journey. We just came now to 𝐸𝐶 to have breakfast. One of the good options for having breakfast in Turkey. Looking at these prices, whoa, things gone crazy recently. In this crazy economy, every day new prices. Aside from that, 𝐸𝐶 has a lot of options for having proper breakfast. Their food is always fresh and their service is really good. And as you can see, there are so many options you can choose from for breakfast. All sorts of break, pasta, sandwiches, cheese, egg, french fries, cake, even cookies and biscuits. 𝐵 for this ice cream from 𝐷𝐿 and halwa costs 60 TL. There's 60, 90, 70, 80 depending on the flavor. After spending a very special time in these very beautiful cities, Istanbul, Bursa, Sakarya, now it's time for going back to Black Sea. We're going to Rize now. The road is very long yet very beautiful. From the beauty of this way, you cannot feel any tiredness. On my way back, I slept a bit in the car. I parked in one of the rests on the roads and I needed to sleep a bit in the car because driving all the way directly without sleeping can be very dangerous. So I slept maybe 5 hours or so in the car and now we are back to hit the road. We just arrived Samsun now and the entire way there were only small villages and very little buildings, and once you enter Samsun the city looks very huge. From what I see I can tell Samsun can be one of the biggest city in the Black Sea region. Either coming from Istanbul or coming from Rize, the other side, I can see the city is so huge and has so many things here. We are going to discover some of the hidden gems in this area. Keep watching.
This is Piazza Mall in Samsun. It's directly on the Sahel. We came to have lunch here. It looks pretty big actually, and I think it has most of the big brands here.
After we took a look around the food court in the mall, we decided to go with a compare. It's potato made in the oven and they smash the inside. There are all these extra ingredients that you add to the potato, either sausage, olives, mushroom, corn, and other stuff. And voila! Our compare is ready! After having lunch in Samsun, it was the time to carry on. Now we are going our way and the next stop would be Ordu.
are now in Ordu almost to Trabzon, and then we'll be in Riza, 3 hours and a half away from Riza. Hopefully we can go there soon. I need to rest. We just arrived to Riza now, and the rain is completely crazy. It's completely blocking my vision. I cannot even drive. A lot of cars have parked, and they did the warning light. They opened the warning light. I'm not sure if I can keep up with this rain. It's almost impossible driving in this rain.